In a world that never stops talking, silence has become a rare luxury. We live in an era where, if it wasn't posted on social media, it didn't happen. We feel this burning urge to share every small win, every gym session, and every new project we start. But have you ever noticed that the more you talk about your goals, the less likely you are to achieve them? Science calls this social reality. When you announce your intentions to the world, your brain receives a premature sense of completeness. You get the hit of dopamine, the pat on the back, and the feeling of success without actually having done the hard work. You've already celebrated at the starting line, so you lose the hunger to reach the finish line. Think about a seed. A seed doesn't grow in the bright sunlight on top of the soil. It grows in the dark, underground, in total silence. It struggles, it breaks its shell, and it pushes through the dirt long before anyone sees a single green leaf. Your success is exactly like that seed. When you work in secret, you are building something for yourself, not for the audience. You are developing a relationship with discipline that doesn't depend on likes or comments. This is where true character is built. Who are you when no one is watching? Are you still as hardworking? Are you still as focused? If the answer is yes, then you are becoming unstoppable. Privacy protects your energy from the jealousy, the doubt, and the opinions of people who don't have the courage to do what you are doing. Every time you tell someone your big dreams, you give them a chance to plant a seed of doubt in your mind. Are you sure you can do that? Isn't that too risky? Why don't you just stay in your lane? Most people aren't trying to be mean. They are simply projecting their own fears and limitations onto you. By staying silent, you deny them the opportunity to distract you. You don't need to explain your why to people who are comfortable being average. Your journey isn't for them to understand. While they are busy talking about people and events, you are busy building systems and skills. Let them wonder what you're up to. Let them think you've disappeared. In reality, you haven't disappeared, you've just gone into monk mode. There's a profound power in the shock effect. It's the moment you emerge after months or years of silence, and your life is completely different. Your body is transformed, your business is thriving, your mind is sharper, and your bank account is healthy. People will ask, how did you do it? And when did this happen? It happened while you were quiet. It happened during those 5 a.m. sessions that you didn't post on Instagram. It happened during the Friday nights you spent studying while everyone else was at the bar. The results will be so loud that you will never have to speak a word to prove your worth. Silence is not a sign of weakness. It is the ultimate sign of confidence. You don't need to bark when you know you're the lion. So, as you go into this new week, I challenge you. Take your biggest goal and hide it. Don't tell your friends. Don't tell your family. Don't post a teaser on your story. Just put your head down and work. Fall in love with the process, not the applause. The world doesn't need more announcements. The world needs more results. Be the person who does the work. Be the person who stays consistent when the hype dies down. Remember, the loudest person in the room is often the weakest, and the quietest person is often the most dangerous. This is your journey. This is your life. Keep them guessing. Keep them wondering. And most importantly, keep going. If you stayed until the end, it means you are part of the 1% who actually finishes what they start. Type "I am focused" in the comments to seal this commitment. Don't forget to subscribe to Reminder Myself for your daily dose of truth. Build in silence, and let your success be the noise.